So hello everyone, in this video I will introduce the interface of AutoCAD 2020. Throughout all these videos I will use AutoCAD Student Version 2020. So here you can see one desktop shortcut of AutoCAD 2020 is created. To open AutoCAD, just double click on that. Now here you can see my AutoCAD is opening. It will take 2 to 3 seconds to open. Now you can see my AutoCAD is opened. In this recent document part, you can find the drawings which you have created recently or opened recently. The start button is to create new drawing. So we'll first create a new drawing. So just click on that. So here you can see my drawing sheet has opened. So this part is our worksheet. Here we will draw our drawing. This is our application button. Under this we can find several options. So here you can see these options are available here. New is to create a new drawing file. Open is to create an existing drawing file. Save is to save your drawing. Using save as, you can save your drawing in different formats like DWG or any CAD mobile version or DWT, DWS, etc. Using import, you can import your PDF, DGN or other formats files. Using print, you can print your drawing. It's maybe 3D or maybe 2D. Using close button, you can close your current drawing or all drawings you have opened in your worksheet. So this is our quick access toolbar. Here you can find different shortcuts, like this is for new, this is to open any existing file, this is to save, this is to save your drawing file to different format, and etc. This is our workspace button. Using this you can change your workspace from 2D drawing to 3D drawing. So you can also customize your quick access toolbar. To customize the quick access toolbar, just click on this down arrow. Here you can see different options are here. To keep any of them in your quick access toolbar, just click on that. Here I will click on layer button. So you can see different layer option is saved here. So I will now remove the layer option. Just click again on that. So you can see it's gone. So this part is our working ribbon. This is subdivided into different tabs and panels. So now we are in home tab. In home tab you can find different commands which are frequently used. In other tabs we will discuss in our next videos. So you can see my drawing 1 is now opened. So this is our command line. In this command line we will enter our commands which I want to use or put any values. If you are unable to find this command line, just press Ctrl+9. So Ctrl+9 is used to hide or unhide your command line. This is our view cube. This indicates that which part of your drawing is visible to you. So you can see the upper side of your drawing is your north side, the down side is south side, and left side is west, and right side is your east side. Using these two arrow key you can rotate your worksheet by 90 degree. So this button is used to rotate your drawing 90 degree clockwise. This arrow is used to rotate your worksheet 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So this is our navigation bar. Using this you can pan your total worksheet. This is for zoom extents. This is orbit. This is used to rotate your drawing in any direction. It may be clockwise, anti-clockwise, or in about any axis you want. So this is our status bar. Here you can see which options are on or off. So to customize that, just click on that, and here you can see several options. If you want to see any of them in your status bar, just check on that. So I'll now check on units. So now you can see our units option is available here. We can change our units from decimal to different options. So now I will remove that unit option. So to remove that, just click on that these 3 lines and just check out this. So now this is all about this interface. So I will close my AutoCAD. To close this AutoCAD, you can just click on that cross arrow, or you can double click on our application button. So after double clicking, you can see my AutoCAD is closed. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for next videos and tutorials.